Welcome to a new era of culinary excellence, where innovation meets convenience. Introducing the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor, the kitchen companion that's here to redefine the way you approach food preparation. Say goodbye to the hassle of laborious chopping, shredding, and mixing. It's time to let technology do the work while you focus on creating delectable masterpieces. If you're interested in learning more about the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor, please click on the link in the description below. A legacy of innovation. For decades, the Ninja brand has been at the forefront of delivering revolutionary kitchen appliances, and the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor is no exception. It's your trusted ally in transforming raw ingredients into culinary marvels with its power, intelligence, and unrivaled versatility. Effortless mastery with a touch. Imagine effortlessly achieving professional results with just a touch. The 1000 peak watt motor is a powerhouse that drives this food processor's capabilities. Thanks to its preset programs, you can chop veggies, shred cheese, and create silky smooth sauces or cookie dough from scratch, all with the simple touch of a button. This is culinary innovation made accessible to everyone. Precision in every cut. Bid farewell to uneven chopping and inconsistent results. The Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor brings uniformity to your culinary creations. Whether you're chopping delicate herbs or hearty vegetables, the processor ensures that every piece is cut to perfection, without the risk of turning your ingredients into mush or leaving large chunks untouched. Masterful mixing. Mixing and folding doughs for your favorite baked goods has never been easier. From cookies to pies, and even homemade pizzas, the processor's even mixing capabilities ensure that your creations are consistently flawless. Say goodbye to the days of sore arms from manual mixing. Let the Ninja Professional Plus handle it effortlessly. Slicing and shredding made swift. Ever struggled to get those perfect slices for Taco Tuesday or evenly shredded cheese for your favorite dish? The Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor comes to your rescue. With remarkable speed, it shreds cheese and slices veggies with precision, transforming your prep time into a breeze. Say hello to toppings that are ready in an instant. Harness the power. The 1000 peak watt motor is not just impressive, it's a game changer. It converts even the toughest ingredients into velvety smooth purees, allowing you to experiment with flavors and textures in your culinary creations. Capacity for culinary creations. Whether you're crafting a small batch of garlic-infused goodness or preparing an entire bowl full of ingredients for a feast, the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor's 9-cup capacity ensures that your results are consistently exceptional. The processor adapts to your needs, whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining a crowd. A clean finish. After your culinary journey, the last thing you want is a messy cleanup. Fear not, cleaning the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor is a breeze. Pulse warm water and a couple of drops of dish soap, and you'll have a clean bowl and blades. And for your peace of mind, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Elevate your culinary adventures. Say goodbye to the mundane and embrace the extraordinary with the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. This kitchen marvel is not just an appliance, it's your gateway to culinary mastery, where innovation meets convenience. Why settle for ordinary when you can achieve extraordinary? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.